Have you ever been using your computer and the mouse just stops working?
The mouse, it's not moving. Why isn't it moving? Oh, hang on, I got it. Right. Now it's not clicking. Why isn't it clicking? What am I going to do?
Spare a thought for people who can't use a mouse.
Word 2016, enter.
People with a severe vision impairment use a screen reader and operate the computer with the keyboard.
Hello. How are you?
Hello, my name is Sharon Lyons, founder and owner of sharons-shortcuts.ie. I've been working with people with a vision impairment for the past 12 years or so, and in that time I got to know about keyboard shortcuts and how to use a computer without a mouse, and I got hooked on them. It's actually quite productive to use a computer without a mouse, and so I'm going to show you how to do that. So you press the Windows key and then press CH and Google Chrome comes up, and then you just press enter. That's Windows, and then CH for Chrome, and then enter.
So how did she send that email? Alt plus S.
Phew.
Would you like to learn more? Take a look at the website, join the mailing list, and learn one shortcut at a time.